Preparations will go ahead now, and obviously consultation will take place with our members. I'm sure that the South Wales miners will respond, because we are not talking about Yorkshire. We are talking about the McGregor plan to annihilate at least a third of the South Wales coalfield within a 12-month and reduce this coalfield eventually over the next 8 or 9 years to around 6 collieries.
I have no doubt that having received the report from the delegates to this conference, that the choice that they will be faced with will be one of either fighting or accepting that this coalfield is going to be absolutely destroyed.
Certainly will be no devastation of the South Wales coalfield. There will be closures, but to say that a third of the coalfield is going is rubbish. I want to expand the output, reduce the number of pits and expand others, and have a slightly smaller labour force than we've got now. And then we'll have a damn good industry.
But isn't it the thin end of the wedge? We've had 5 pits or so closed last year, 2,500 men going. Yeah. The same sort of thing will happen this year, and what of next year and next year?
The same sort of thing could happen this year, yes. But these are collieries that should have been closed long, long ago, to be honest with you. They are pits not closed because of economic circumstances, but because they are geologically clapped out. None of the pits that we have closed in the last year, none of the pits that we'll be discussing in the next few months for possible closure, are pits that have any future at all. It's no good hanging on to pits where they are geologically hopeless.
I know that in the press and in the media, within the next day or so, we are going to be called liars. We are going to be called scaremongers. I know that the Coalwood officials are going to say that they don't intend cutting back in the way that we are saying. But on the figures that McGregor gave last Tuesday to the National Executive Committee, make no mistake about it, South Wales as a coalfield is going to be destroyed unless we stop them from doing it.